This video reports experiments of coordinated control of two industrial robots Comau Smart 3S. Remarkably, their open control architecture allows us to control the two robots by a single PC. An object is to be placed between the two end effectors, consisting of a double transversal aluminum bar grasping two small brass bars. Each bar is attached to an ATI 13010 force torque sensor mounted through a tool adapter. In the first experiment, an operational space control algorithm is used, which performs control of the absolute motion of the object without control of the internal forces. As you have seen, the motion has been interrupted since internal forces have become too high. On the other hand, in the second experiment, control of internal forces is provided by adopting a hybrid force position control strategy. This allows the system to execute the required motion smoothly while limiting the internal force on the object.